Hey guys, welcome back to Arry The Stag Premium. Really interesting development on the boot lid that we have been looking at recently. You may remember on the YouTube channel we did a piece a little while back. A little bit of extra footage this time around, as you'd expect on the Premium, and a little bit more insight, I think, from Alan as to what we can do differently to get this boot lid up together. So without further ado, let's just go back and remind ourselves of the initial kind of contact, and then I'll come back to you midway with the second piece. So before we show you what we did at Alan's, I just thought it would be very interesting to show you UNY 49M's boot as we found it when we first had the car way back in 2017. And on the face of it, as you can see, it looks all right, doesn't it? It obviously is well painted and well fillered, as we were about to reveal, but it doesn't look too bad. Bit of T-cut and polish, you'd think it'll be all right. But let's go to Alan's and have a look. There we go. Let's go and see what's been going on. Blasted.
It's been blasted, but you can see where that had all been fillered.
Yeah.
Because that would have all been filler in there, because someone's hammered that back
And then skimmed it over the top.
to skim over the top.
Yeah.
But all of this, you couldn't filler that.
No way.
If you fillered that, you'd slam the boot a couple of times and you'd wonder why.
It would just drop out.
All those bits in the boot.
Yeah.
So
There's a whole ton of rust inside.
yeah.
What about a top skim? What's
The top skin's not bad.
There you are. You can hear the rust.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you can see the sound.
Yeah, there's some sound. Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. Still there.
Yeah, loads more sound. The actual skin, I wouldn't be surprised if it had been reskinned at some point.
Looks alright, doesn't it? Apart from a few.
You can see where it's gone right through.
You got some pinholes there.
But again, you see, you've got nothing you could weld.
No.
And that is rusting from the inside.
Yeah.
So, I mean, if it was possible to get another
Go and have a look.
boot,
Yeah.
but the thing is, if it's in paint, you're not going to know how much of it is filler.
That's the problem, isn't it? Could be exactly the same, only
Precisely.
covered with paint and
So,
filler. Yeah.
with regards to the boot, I can rescue it.
Yeah. Okay. There's quite a lot of work there.
No more so than the doors.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So far so good. What Alan wanted to do now was just literally work through the boot lid and see what actually needed doing, whether we could weld it, whether we could lead load it, or whatever. Obviously we're in his hands, but let's just go back and have a look and see what he recommends. What I've got is some repair panels. Have a look at those. So they all go on exactly that. It's the rear bit on the boot, you know, with the light in. So those little apertures of the light.
What, for
on
Stag?
on the underside, Stag, yeah. So where it's really rusty.
Yeah, I'll bring it over.
Yeah, okay. All right then.
One of the things
Don't burn yourself.
rust.
Yeah, I know. Actually, if you take the those panels out, you're gonna shake it out. Because it is very. I mean, the top isn't bad, is it?
The top's not too bad.
So these panels, I think, are replacing basically all this here
Replacing that,
with those there.
I see, it's too hard.
Two halves. So I think you probably cut here. I don't know,
Yeah.
and then all the way back to here.
Problem with that is that only comes to here, and I've got nothing to attach it to there.
Yeah.
Whereas that has gone right through. My thoughts are is to lead fill it.
Okay. Yeah, whatever you think.
It will kill the rust.
Okay.
What I was impressed with is someone had managed to feed the cord
That was me.
through there.
Because there's a wire that goes through there
Ah,
to the rear light, I think it is. In fact, these lights here, I think these are rear
Right.
lights. So I've left it there so I can pull a new wire through. Was the
well,
idea?
it's not going to say it there because it'll make a horrible mark in paint.
Yes, it will, won't it? Yeah.
It's a lot of the problem is finding holes that are meant to be there
Yeah.
and holes that aren't.
Yeah.
And
Well, those all are, obviously, aren't they? These ones here.
These that are definitely round. That one.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah.
But I've got to fill it.
Yeah.
And then make it.
Yeah.
But it's like all of this. What I'm sort of really looking at is bits like this that you can see have rotted away.
Yeah.
I can't do a lot about that.
No.
Because I can't get to it, and I'm not entirely sure what it does.
Nor am I. That's your lock-in mechanism that goes on there, isn't it?
Yeah.
And okay. So your barrel goes in here. So that's just a mechanism there, from memory. Haven't done it to the other one.
Right. So.
But I don't think that does anything functionally. That piece of metal there.
But.
Yeah. No, that's really cool.
It's. Again, I hate to think what happened to this poor car, because I'm not even entirely sure what shape that's supposed to be.
Yeah.
I'm guessing it's flat.
Yeah.
You'll know when you open the boot on the other one.
Yeah.
But if that is flat, then something strange is happening there.
Yeah.
Because this side, I think that end's fine.
Yeah.
But there's a great big bulge going the wrong way there.
Right. Okay.
I just don't know what is going on with any of this.
No. Okay.
It's even the sort of light fitting holes
Yeah.
are so bent and distorted.
Yeah.
I've not noticed that before.
Is that
There's
a screw stuck in there? Left my glasses. Yeah.
As you can appreciate, most of the strengthening
Yeah.
is this
Yeah.
frame,
Yeah.
and I've got to try and make good all of this.
Yeah.
Now, I can't go cutting into it and trying to let panels in,
Yeah.
because I've got nothing to attach it to go forward.
No. Okay.
Those, from what I can see, are literally just
They
a
are.
cover,
Yeah.
nothing more.
Nothing else.
And that is the least of my concern.
Right. Okay.
So what I'm going to do, I've got these.
Literally looks like tin worm, doesn't it?
Yeah. These are the rods that I'll be using.
And those are the panels there.
These are
Okay.
the rods that I'll be using.
Yeah.
Because they're a low temperature rod, so
Yeah.
I can heat it and fill
Yeah.
the holes with that.
Right.
So
So it literally just drops into the holes and.
It's like the frame of a radiator.
yeah, very
Where you
similar.
put the cap
It's
on
not quite silver solder.
No.
but it's
Okay.
along the lines of.
Yeah. Right. Okay.
So
So you just literally like a heat that up. And,
yeah, I mean,
solder
like
it in.
that, it just looks like strips of aluminium, but it's not.
no. Okay. Yeah.
It's actual welding wire,
Yeah.
but low temperature welding wire.
Right.
And obviously, bits like this, I'm going to have to shape a panel. weld
Yeah.
it in.
Yeah. Okay.
But,
Okay, mate.
the strange part is obviously it's sat with water in there for a long time,
Yeah.
because none of the edges have actually gone,
Yeah.
which I find quite strange.
Yeah. That's interesting. Isn't it? You would have thought they'd be the first to go, wouldn't you?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
the other side,
A couple of
I like
perforations on top there.
those I'm not too fussed about. Those I can work with.
Yeah.
But again, we've got massive craters.
Yeah.
Can't see them.
Hey?
See them in huge.
Well, especially that one.
Yeah.
But once I dug the filler out of that bonnet, that was what was in the middle of the bonnet.
Yeah.
Well, where I've dug the filler out, I've managed to
Push it back up.
back up.
Yeah.
It's got a very thin film of filler.
Skim.
I don't know what kind of paint it had been done with. It didn't want to prime,
Didn't it? Right. Okay.
which is why I had to bare metal it.
Yeah.
But if you, I mean, there is not a single straight patch there.
It's probably been sat on again, like the bonnet was, isn't it? Oh, I can
don't
feel
know.
it. Oh, I can feel that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And
That's
look,
undulating. That is.
this is this is where I'm stuck, trying to understand what has befallen this poor bloody
Oh
vehicle.
no,
Because every single panel
you
is
can
like
oh,
that.
you can't see it, but you can feel it, can't you?
Oh,
Well,
you can
I
actually
can.
see it on
And
here.
actually, here you can see the
Yeah.
frame
Yeah.
of the
Yeah.
underneath in the light there.
And-
Look at that.
You know,
Yeah.
God knows what's happened to this poor bloody thing. But this will take a hell of a lot of work.
Yeah. Okay.
This will take a lot of work.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just to try and get some sense out of it.
Some sense to it.
So,
Okay.
but as I say, the edges are fine.
Yeah.
Now, I can appreciate where those have happened, where the
Yeah.
water's been sat in that lower part.
Yeah.
Obviously, there's a lot of rust from the inside,
Yeah.
because that's all from the inside
Just like
coming out.
evaporated and
Yeah,
condensed on the top or
Yeah.
something inside.
but I mean,
Yeah.
all of the edges are pretty good.
Considering. Yeah.
It has seriously sucked.
Yeah.
Uh,
Well, that's good, mate.
it's a lot of work on something like that.
Yeah. All right, guys, so a little bit of extra footage there, as you saw, and really interesting to see what Alan recommended. I take my hat off to what he can do with his welding torch and the various kind of techniques that he's got up his sleeve to repair this boot lid properly. There is a heck of a lot of rust in it, as you would have heard during the video, but no doubt he will clear all that out and sort it out. It has been bead blasted, but it obviously needs quite a bit of work, so we'll pick up with him next time we can get down there, and that should all be good. Great. Okay, well, hope you're having a great week wherever you are, guys. Thanks for watching, and we will see you online on Arry the Stag very soon. All the best. Cheers, guys. Bye.